Hello friends, myself Professor Shantaya Gurmat, Department of Botany, MGVC Arts, Commerce and Science College, Muddebihar, Karnataka State. Friends, today's class we discuss about part 2, types of greenhouses. There are 8 major types of greenhouses. First one is even span greenhouse, uneven span greenhouse, lean-to greenhouse, Quonset greenhouse, Gothic architecture greenhouse, curvilinear greenhouse, ridge and furrow greenhouse, and sawtooth greenhouse. First, we discuss about even span. This is the most common greenhouse in India. For single span in general, varies from 5 to 9 m in length. Length 20 to 25 meter and height 2.5 to 4 meters, 4.3 meters. Full size structure that has one gable end attached to the another building. Then advantages of even span greenhouse. Provides more usable space and can be lengthened. Second point, can accommodate 2 to 3 branches for growing crops. Last point, better safe for air circulation. Then disadvantages, most costly option. Second one is uneven greenhouse. It is a greenhouse with one roof slope longer than the other. In uneven span greenhouses, the roof is not equal in width. Thus, the subsidiary structure such as a shed greenhouse, normally with a mono pitch roof and which has been built adjacent to a larger building which it serves. And fourth one is Quonset greenhouse. This greenhouse where the pipe arches are supported by the pipe purling running along the length of the greenhouse. Such greenhouses are typically less expensive than the gutter connected greenhouse. Fifth one is Gothic architecture or pointed architecture is an architectural style that flourished in Europe during the High and Middle Ages. And sixth one is curvilinear greenhouse. In geometry, curvilinear coordinates are a coordinate system for Euclidean space in which the coordinate lines may be curved. Seventh one is ridge and furrow type of greenhouse. Designs of this type use 2 or more A-frame greenhouses connected to one another along the length of the eave. The eave serves as a furrow or gutter to carry rain and melted snow away. The side wall is eliminated between the greenhouses, which results in a structure with a single large interior. And the last one is sawtooth greenhouses. These are also similar to ridge and furrow type greenhouses, except that there is a flow path develops in sawtooth type greenhouse. Next, we discuss about principles of greenhouse technology. The first point, greenhouse, also called as glass houses, is building where plants are grown under controlled microenvironment. These structures range in size from small sheds to very large building. Third point, a miniature greenhouse is known as cold frame. Fourth point, a greenhouse is a structure with a different type of covering materials such as a glass or plastic roof and frequent glass or plastic walls. It heats up because incoming visible solar radiation from the sun is absorbed by the plants, soil and other things inside the building. Air warming by the heat from hot interior surfaces is retained in the building by the roof and wall. Then purposes of the greenhouse: to promote tomato growing in the cooler areas. Second point, to promote the growing of tomatoes throughout the year in both cool and warm areas. Growing tomatoes in a greenhouse reduces disease infection and raises the temperature. Tomatoes require an optimum temperature range of 20 to 25 degree during the day and 15 to 17 degree at night. In the green enhances quality. Currently, most farmers grow tomatoes during the dry seasons. Under irrigation in the greenhouses, tomatoes can be grown all the year round. Then we discuss about advantages of greenhouse. First point, higher yield can be realized, intensive production per unit area. Second point, high quality produce. Third one is minimizing cases of diseases. Fourth one is market timing for optimum profit. Fifth one is production levels may be maintained throughout the year. Sixth one is other warm season crops may be grown throughout the year. Then crops recommended in the greenhouse. First one is colored capsicum, red and yellow. Cucumber family, example cucumber. And onions, bulb onions and garlics. Brinjals, egg plants, herbs and species. The example is coriander. Okay, thank you friends. We meet in the next video.